Is it your birthday? Happy birthday.
Thank you.
This is your box from Lala. What's in your box? What is it?
The card.
Is that a card from Grandma? Yeah? Okay, you want to open that up? Oh, cute! What is it? Yeah.
What is that? Are those little
It
Kit
says,
Kats?
hey, birthday girl. Those are the chipmunks.
Chipmunks.
Those are the chipmunks. Yeah. Yeah.
I can't open it.
Okay, well, because it opens like this. Like that. You've got sparkle. You've got flair. You're a star extraordinaire.
Wow.
So get your shine on, sing your song, make the fun last all day long. Happy birthday. We love you very much. Grandma and Grandpa Becker. Yeah, what do you say?